Welcome to Perfectly Clear's tutorial on QuickServer. Whether you're just getting started or looking for a refresher, this video will walk you through how to install QuickServer, how it works behind the scenes, and how to configure it for your workflow. Let's start with a quick overview. QuickServer is Perfectly Clear's powerful hot folder solution for high-volume automated image correction. It quietly runs in the background on your server, processing and enhancing thousands of photos per hour using Perfectly Clear's award-winning technology. It's truly a set-it-and-forget-it solution, giving you more time to focus on other parts of your production workflow. QuickServer monitors a specific input folder. As soon as new images land in that folder, they're processed using your selected tools, then saved to an output folder automatically and in real time. If you haven't already installed QuickServer, contact your account representative for the installer and follow the setup instructions. QuickServer is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, and we recommend installing it on your dedicated workstation. Once installed, launch QuickServer and activate your license key when prompted in Apps Manager. If you didn't receive a key or need help retrieving it, contact our support team at sales@iq.photos. Then you are ready to get started. At its core, QuickServer uses a channel-based system. A channel tells QuickServer where to look for images, what enhancements to apply, and where to save the finished files. It's very customizable for your editing needs. Once you open QuickServer, you'll notice its refreshed, modern interface. We've organized everything to be more intuitive and easier to navigate, no scrolling required. When starting, you're prompted to create a channel. You can choose between a hot folder channel and a target channel. In a hot folder channel, QuickServer watches a designated folder. As soon as new photos are dropped in, it enhances them automatically and outputs the corrected versions to a folder of your choice. If you'd rather not move files around, target channels is a good option. This type of channel enhances images in place, keeping the original folder structure intact while backing up the originals. As we add in our information, we're going to use the hot folder channels for this tutorial. You can see the step-by-step instructions on the side with details to serve as a guide throughout this process. Now, this next step is where the magic happens, applying tools. After you input the information required for your hot folder channel, you can see here you can easily apply Perfectly Clear tools that are available in QuickServer, color correction, auto crop, and our cloud tools, glasses glare removal, and background removal. Cloud tools require an active internet connection and an API key, which can be found in your Perfectly Clear cloud account. This allows you to access more advanced AI-powered enhancements. Lastly, you have to set up your output settings and you're good to go. This is the QuickServer dashboard. The view ensures you don't have to scroll to see your channel settings, and you can explicitly see the tools that are applied and the number of images that have been corrected, failed, or pending corrections in real time. You can see all your channels listed on the main dashboard, along with a real-time summary of processed, pending, and failed images. That's it for setup. You're now ready to start processing with QuickServer. If you have questions or want help customizing your setup, visit our frequently asked questions or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching and happy enhancing!